The latest episode of Matlock brought an emotional and heartbreaking revelation about Ellie's death. Matty was forced to confront painful memories when a present-day legal case mirrored her own past struggles. A desperate single mother fighting to keep her child reminded Matty of the devastating decision she once made regarding her daughter, Ellie. The episode revealed the tragic chain of events that led to Ellie's overdose and how Matty has carried that guilt ever since. In the present, Matty found herself deeply moved by the case of Paloma, a mother locked in a custody battle with her wealthy but cruel ex-husband. He was hiding money in offshore accounts and refusing to pay child support. The fight escalated when Pamela, fearing she would lose her son, barricaded herself inside an office with him. As Matty stood outside, she made a tearful confession. She had lived through a moment just like this and regretted it every single day. The episode took viewers back to Ellie's final days. Matty and Edwin had taken legal action to gain custody of their grandson Alfie after Ellie's addiction put him at risk. Alfie had suffered a serious burn while at home with Ellie, and Matty feared she was under the influence when it happened. In court, Ellie claimed she had been sober for 3 months, but Matty knew better. On the witness stand, she pointed out that people struggling with addiction often find ways to pass drug tests while still using. Later, Ellie privately admitted she had only been sober for a month. She pleaded with her mother to stop the custody case, but Matty stood firm, promising Ellie she could visit Alfie every day. When Ellie didn't show up for the next court date, the judge awarded full custody to Matty and Edwin. What should have been a moment of relief turned into a nightmare. Ellie had relapsed and died of an overdose. Her heartbreak over losing custody had pushed her back into addiction. Ellie's death left a wound that never healed. Her son's father, who has yet to appear on screen, reached out after her passing, hoping to connect with the family. However, Edwin lied to Matty, claiming he lost the email and contact information. The episode ended with a shocking parallel to Ellie's funeral. Matty asked Edwin if he blamed her for their daughter's death. At the time, he had said no, but now he admitted that sometimes he does. This confession could change everything between Matty and Edwin. For years, they have blamed the law firm Jacobson Moore for Ellie's death, believing the company could have removed opioids from the market sooner. Now, with the discovery of a hidden document proving the drug's dangers, their mission for justice takes on new meaning. But Edwin comparing Matty to their longtime enemy is a devastating blow. With emotions running high, next week's episode is sure to explore the fallout of this painful revelation. Can their relationship survive, or will the weight of the past tear them apart?